Hello. Today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you, of course. Today, let me introduce you the new Fulham All Ice Bass. Extra large with cover. This is a complete set. It's a foldable bath tube for adults. It's an ice bath barrel for outdoor and indoor use. Ice barrel is good for you. This bath tub for outdoor comes good for a cold therapy if you are an athlete. Yeah, 546 liter. Oval black. We use the power of cold. The oval ice bath tube with 120 long, 70 wide, 65 height centimeters offers enough space and allows us to comfortably immerse our entire body and experience immersive in cold water and cold water therapy. The ice bathing releases endorphins, promotes relaxation, accelerates regeneration, and ensures a sustainable feeling of well-being in everyday life. The optimal recovery with 564-liter ice bath. Because there it is, a big capacity of 564 liters. The inflatable ice bath allows complete stretching of the legs without restrictions and ensures a comfortable ice bath experience. The ice bath barrel is ready for use in less than 5 minutes. So we can take our personalized bath quickly and, of course, easily. Oh, yeah. That's cool. That's easy. And we have a high-quality 6-layer insulation and a dual therapy method. It's made of robust materials. The tube ensures a long-lasting use in optimal cold water temperatures. It is suited for both cold and warm water therapy, with a temperature resistance of minus 65 degrees Celsius and go up to 55 degrees Celsius. You cannot cook in it, of course, but you can make a good warm therapy too. Warm water should be at 40 degrees Celsius, something. An easy emptying and care. Thanks to the hidden drain hole, the water is kept clean and can be drained quickly. The included lid protects against dirt such as leaves or insects and cleans the water. The set includes a cushion filled with water to improve the feeling of use. Also included are pads for emergency. And an easy assembly, as you can see. This foldable bathtub is easy to transport and can be used both indoor and outdoor use. In just 3 simple steps, it is set up and ready for cold therapy. This is either for home or it's good for on the go. Wow, really cool. Relieve the muscle pain, demand the flow of the blood, relief of the joint inflammation and muscle swelling, and strengthen the immune system, relief of stress and anxiety and depression, and increase in metabolism. And of course, it is large enough. For 10 minutes, chill there for pain relief. 15 minutes, improvement of blood flow. And 20 minutes for get down the stress level. Immediately changes after an ice bath are possible. Improved comfort. It provides additional cushioning and support. Increased stability. Reduce the risk of drops or injuries. And we use with a dust cover. This prevents the penetration of leaves and dust, which reduce cleaning frequency. It's good for cold soccer, marathon, sports, gym, weightlifters, and everyday use. The ice bath to go, portable ice tubes for relaxation anywhere and anytime. First, we have less pathogens, sore muscles, the benefit of the ice bathing. Relieve the symptoms in inhibitions of inflammations and a cold tolerance, that means cold adjustment, and fat burning, metabolism increase, job's done. It's easy. As you can see, we connect the curved metal rods on the straight plastic rods. Then we insert the lower and the upper metal rods and insert the support rods at both ends. And then we connect the support rods at both ends to the middle. And then we blow with an air pump. The assembly is completed. Inflated. Easy peasy. Job's done, baby. And then you have fun with it. You can make a good job with it. And fast and reliable. This all and more brings us the new Fulham Oval-Eyes Bass Tip Top XXL. Extra, extra large, baby. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback. And I hope to see you again on my channel. Sun.